Hello, welcome to our IBM I tutorial series. Today, we'll explore the ZAdd with Opcode extender H, specifically how it handles numeric values and performs half-adjustment rounding. ZAdd H is used to add a value to a variable and perform half-adjustment rounding. Define variables b and result. B is initialized to 10.20. Assign 50 to result. ZAdd H operation adds b to result, performing half-adjustment rounding. Display the values of result and result. End of the program. Displays the message result and the value after ZAdd H. Displays the actual value of result after rounding. DSBLY result shows result. DSBLY result shows 10.2. ZAdd H effectively demonstrates how IBM I handles numeric operations, ensuring precise rounding with half adjustment. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the ZAdd opcode in IBM RPGLE by Programmers.io. Stay tuned for more tutorials on IBM I functionalities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. See you next time.